Forex markets trading internationally. Forex market exchanging is exchanging cash, monetary forms around the world. Most all nations all over the planet are engaged with the Forex exchanging market, where cash is traded, given the worth of that money at that point. Ascertained monetary standards are not worth a lot, they won't be exchanged vigorously. As the money is worth more, extra intermediaries and brokers will decide to put resources into that market around them. Contemplate the number of millions it takes to achieve an aggregate of $1 trillion and afterward consider that this is done consistently. To engage in where the cash is, Forex exchanging is one setting where cash is trading hands every day. For instance, the Japanese yen is the JPY and the United States dollar is USD. You can exchange inside numerous monetary standards one day, or you can exchange to alternate money consistently. Exchanges among business sectors and nations will happen each day. Probably the most intense exchanges happen between the euro and the US dollar, and afterward the US dollar and the Japanese yen, and afterward of the other most frequently seen exchanges is between the British pound and the US dollar. As one nation opens exchanging for the day, another is shutting. The time regions across the world influence how the exchange happens and when the business sectors are open. Whenever you are making an exchange starting with one market then on to the next, including one cash to one more, you will see the images are utilized to clarify the exchanges. Different occasions could resemble this AUSCZZ/USD, etc. While perusing and looking into your Forex proclamations and online data, you will comprehend everything much better, assuming you are to recollect these images of the monetary forms that are involved.